My name is Ana Simões. Today we'll be doing sublimation printing on anodized aluminium, a process that allows the surface to become porous and take color. We use this process quite a lot in jewelry, especially for decoration. The first step, use acetone to remove any grease from the surface and the sides of the aluminium. Then we have to rinse the aluminium under cold water. We only use cold water because hot water seals the surface. Then we have to prepare 2 aluminium jigs which connect the metal to the copper anode in order to conduct electricity through the aluminium. Then we have to immerse the sheet in an electrolytic solution of sulfuric acid and water, and then we need to add voltage, which should be increased gently to about 12 volts to create a reaction with the solution and the metal. What you can see now, it's the oxygen being created and reacting with the surface, which will make it porous. So we need to leave the aluminium here for approximately 40 minutes. Once it's ready to be removed, we need to rinse it in a neutralizing solution before rinsing it under cold water again, and then it's completely ready to take the color. So here we can either immerse it in aluminium oxide dyes. You can leave it there for a very long time or a short period, depends on how deep you want the color to be, or we can use sublimation printing to transfer color and patterns onto the aluminium surface. For the sublimation printing, we lay the sublimation prints on the aluminium and use a heat press for about 60 seconds. And again, the color will be deeper if you leave it for a very long time. It will be lighter if you leave it for a short period of time. This process is ideal for adding color and patterns to anodized aluminium as it involves both color and heat. It seals the aluminium ready for use. My name is Ana Simões, and that's been sublimation printing on anodized aluminium.